Hi, so this is just going to be a really quick tutorial on how to crop a video from a different dimension to the IGTV dimension on your iPhone itself, and it actually works for most dimensions you would want to convert your videos to. You want to open the Photos application on your iPhone. As you can see, this video is in a landscape dimension which is not optimal for IGTV viewing. So what you want to do is click on the edit button in the top right hand corner. You will enter a sort of editing mode on your phone, and now what you want to do is click on the cropping button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You'll see various buttons to straighten your video, but if you look at the top right hand corner, that's actually the button that you want, and when you enter that button, you will get various dimensions that you can crop your video to. There's landscape and portrait cropping options, and if you go into the portrait options, you will see the IGTV dimensions, which is an aspect ratio of 9:16. So that's all, and when you hit undone in the bottom right hand corner, your video will be saved to your gallery in an IGTV format. I hope this video was helpful to anyone who has been looking for an easy way to crop your videos to the IGTV format or any other formats for that matter. Thanks for watching and see you next time.